Hi, my name is Soumya Sarkar. आप देख रहे हैं with Redefine blog. In today's blog, we'll be talking about this week's market. I think this week has been a good week, and market has really gone up. There are consecutive 4-5 days when market went up, and overall, people are getting the hope that market will do well. इन्फ्लेशन अभी भी एक बड़ा वरी है, सो अप्स एंड डाउन्स में बी देयर, बट वंस इट मार्केट क्रॉसेस 17,000 लेवल देन डेफिनेटली इट बिकम्स अ बुलिश मार्केट। सबसे बढ़िया बात जो है वो है एफआईआईज ने दोबारा खरीदना स्टार्ट किया है। सबसे प्रॉब्लमेटिक था जब मार्केट गिर रहा था कि एफआईआईज लगातार सेल कर रहे हैं। उसका विटनेस भी आपने देखा था जब रुपी वीक हो रहा था, 80 के आसपास चला गया, 73-74 में था जो कि 80 हो गया। दैट मीन्स पीपल वर टेकिंग मनी फ्रॉम इंडिया। हाई ऑयल प्राइस ऑल्सो एक प्रॉब्लमेटिक हुआ करता था। अभी भी ऑयल प्राइस इंडिया की जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है उससे काफ़ी हाई है, लेकिन जो 112-113 डॉलर पर बैरल या 120 डॉलर पर बैरल तक जा रहा था, वो अब धीरे धीरे 100 के नीचे आ गया है। वी आर गेटिंग अ गुड रिलीफ इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑयल एंड कमोडिटी प्राइसेस। ओवरऑल द कमोडिटी प्राइसेस आर कमिंग डाउन, बट यूरोप और यूएस की जो इन्फ्लेशन है एंड सिचुएशन है दैट आर नॉट कम्प्लीटली आउट ऑफ द वुड्स। अभी भी वहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम चल रही है। और yesterday's ECB meeting, the rate hike happened in UK by around 50 basis point. जब रेट हाइक होता है तो मार्केट से पैसा सक हो जाता है। दैट मीन्स ये इन्फ्लेशन को कंट्रोल करने के लिए होता है, बट ओवरऑल सेंटिमेंट जो है वो नेगेटिव हो जाता है, क्योंकि रेट हाइक का मतलब ये है कि मार्केट में लिक्विडिटी का अवेलेबिलिटी कम हो जाएगा। सेकेंडली, जो प्राइसेस है, जो डिमांड है वो कम हो जाएगा बिकॉज ऑफ हाई EMIs एंड एवरीथिंग, विच विल बी अफेक्टिंग ऑल अक्रॉस द सेक्टर्स। बट मेरे हिसाब से RBI और मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फाइनेंस ने इंडिया की जो सिचुएशन है उसको अच्छी तरह से संभाला है, एंड देयर माइट बी अ चांसेस दैट India will go for a slower rate hikes, so probably another 25 basis point now and then another 25 basis point in another 2-3 months kind of a thing. But जुलाई का जो US का मीटिंग है जो कि लास्ट वीक ऑफ जुलाई में होने वाला है, उस टाइम पे US में आई थिंक 75 basis point to 1% हाइक विल बी देयर, बिकॉज यूएस का जो इन्फ्लेशन डेटा है वो 9% के ऊपर, विच इज़ अ रिकॉर्ड, विच इज़ 40 years हाई। यूके का 9.5 था, उसके वजह से उसने 50 बेसिस पॉइंट हाइक दिया है। ओनली द चाइना विच इज़ नॉट गेटिंग अफेक्टेड बाय द इन्फ्लेशन एज वेल एज दे आर नॉट गेटिंग अफेक्टेड बाय द मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी, सो दे हैव अ लिबरल मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी एज ऑफ नाउ। बट कोविड का जो इम्पैक्ट है उनके ऊपर वो काफ़ी हद तक है। ऑब्वियसली द चाइनाज the accelerating growth of manufacturing has slowed down. So obviously these are one of the reasons that we may have to wait for some time to see a major rally in the market. Again, I'm telling that buying of FIIs in Indian market definitely is a good sign. आगे कैसे रहेगा? I think you can start looking at a longer horizon if you would like to invest the money. SIPs will always be the one of the best way to invest the money, and it will remain as the same. Because जब 15,200 हुआ था, बहुत कम आदमी ने उस टाइम पे इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए सोचा था। Most of the people were thinking that market may fall to 14,800, 14,600, 14,200 level, but वहाँ से रिकवर हो गया। अब जब मार्केट 17-17.5 के ऊपर जाएगा, then people will start thinking it will go to 18, 18.5, 19, like this way. So obviously there is always a behavioral bias while you invest the money. आपको लगता है जब मार्केट बढ़ेगा तो और बढ़ जाएगा, और मार्केट जब घट रहा है तो और घट जाएगा, बट हमें नहीं पता होता कि कहाँ से मार्केट टर्न होता है, both side, on the upside as well as on the downside. So to average out and protect those things, you may go through the SIPs way. And I personally believe SIPs should have a goal-based planning, which much help you to do the SIP. If you can get in touch with a investment advisor and get a goal for yourself, proper financial planning, and then you can invest the money accordingly. At the time your goal is achieved, you may move out. So these things can help you in terms of protecting your capital as well as protecting your profit in the longer run. In my video, I always tell that mutual funds are always been subject to market risk. So no, if someone says that they're giving you guaranteed returns or something, then I think it's just a hoax, and should not be believe on those things. Mutual funds always see the ups and downs, and it will continue to see it. So it will have a both side. Definitely there are mutual funds which are less volatile or less risky, but usually mutual funds are usually, if you're talking about on a people's mind, there's a called medium to high risk products. If you are investing into a mutual fund, you should have a horizon of around 3 to 5 years. If you are investing into equity, especially in a mid cap and small cap, then you should have a horizon of 7 to 10 years kind of a thing. And then only you can expect it's a decent return from a fund. A lot of people invest the money into mid cap, small cap with a very small horizon. If your investment advisor is not suggesting, then I think this kind of mistakes you should avoid. Secondly, based on WhatsApp, SMS, email, or recommended by a friend or something, you may avoid those kind of things. You should talk, consult a proper investment advisor, ask him whether you can achieve the goal, how you can achieve the goal and everything, and then you may start investing the money into the market. Market is always been a bias to some, for someone it's a buying point, for someone it's a selling point. So these kind of things will keep on continuing, but if you have been a steady investor with a proper horizon and risk appetite, I think you can generate a good return out of the market. We continue to get a lot of queries from you, so if you have any queries, you can mail us. Some people WhatsApp me also. I will try to give all the answers on through video or personally to them, writing to them or calling them and answering the queries. 2022 again, which I told earlier, may be a difficult year, may not be giving that kind of return which 2021 market had given. But definitely in a longer run, India's story looks good. And I believe that Sensex and Nifty will definitely give a excellent return in coming years. 1 or 2 years of downfall doesn't mean that the market is bad or it will remain bad for the rest of the life. It happens with every sector, everybody's life also, that 1 or 2 year, 3 year, 5 year of everybody's life or everybody's business or everybody's job or thing may not have that, may not see that kind of growth. But it doesn't mean that it will never see this kind of growth. Market is also like that. Sometimes there are a lot of problems.